Want a credit card that invests your cash back directly into your Schwab account? The Schwab Investor Card turns your spending into portfolio growth. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. You can apply online through your Schwab account portal or on the Schwab website. Look for the Credit Card section. The application will do a hard credit pull. You'll need a qualifying Schwab brokerage account to deposit the cashback rewards. The card offers unlimited 1.5% cashback on all purchases, which is automatically deposited into your linked Schwab account. My crucial pro tip? Link it for automatic investing. Don't let the cashback sit idle. Set up an automatic investment plan so that every time your cashback is deposited, it's immediately used to buy shares of your chosen index fund. This creates a powerful, automated, spend-to-invest loop. Turn everyday purchases into future wealth. Do you prefer cashback cards or travel rewards cards? Why? For more guides on financial product synergy, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.